night. Some families are silently fighting battles no one outside can see. But behind some closed doors, the rain hides fear, silence, and pain. The tension suddenly explodes. His anger takes over the room, turning a peaceful night into fear and helplessness. But in the apartment next door, someone hears the screaming, the crying, and the fear through the walls. And, concerned neighbor realizes something is terribly wrong. She slowly walks toward the door, listening carefully as the shouting grows louder. And she realizes someone inside may desperately need help. As she looks through the half-open door, a frightened mother and child are trapped inside, while the man continues losing control. Without wasting a second, the neighbor opens KrimeScene and reports the incident. One alert. One report. One brave action can protect an entire family tonight. Within minutes, help arrives at the scene. A frightened mother and child finally feel safe, because someone chose to act instead of staying silent. Safety begins with one simple step: downloading KrimeScene. Stay alert. Stay connected. Protect the people who matter most.